Welcome to Recipes for You. Today, I've got something really special to share with you, a magical anti-aging cream that works even better than botox. Yes, you heard that right. This amazing cream helps smooth out wrinkles, even your skin tone, and gives you that perfect, glowing, glass skin look. It's like a miracle in a jar. Stick around to discover the secret to achieving youthful, radiant skin right at home. Let's get started by making two incredible homemade creams that will not only erase wrinkles but also even out your skin tone. Trust me, you won't believe the results. For our first cream, we'll begin with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then, add a cup of water to the mix. Now, cook this mixture over low heat. Stir constantly until you see a smooth, creamy consistency forming. Does wonders. It tightens the skin, shrinks your pores, and gives your face that fresh, radiant glow. The best part? Regular use of this mask tightens your pores, making it harder for them to get clogged. You'll notice your skin looking smoother and younger over time. Once it's ready, take it off the heat and let it cool down for a bit. Next, let's move on to our second ingredient. We'll need 4 tablespoons of flax seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with goodness. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which will help keep your skin soft, smooth, and moisturized. They also contain powerful antioxidants that fight aging and help reduce wrinkles. Add a cup of water to the flax seeds and let them cook over low heat. Flax seeds are packed with antioxidants that slow down the aging process. They help keep your skin looking fresh and youthful. After it's done, remove it from the heat and let it cool. Once it's cooled, we're going to strain the mixture through a cloth to get a smooth, gel-like texture. And now, we have our flaxseed gel. This gel is fantastic for boosting skin cell renewal, leaving you with healthier, fresher-looking skin. Look at this beautiful gel. It's going to work wonders on your skin. Now that both ingredients are ready, we can mix them together to create our powerful anti-aging mask. tablespoons of the cornstarch gel. Add half of the flaxseed gel. Mix everything together well. Now, add a teaspoon of honey. Honey is great for hydrating and nourishing the skin. And finally, add a teaspoon of lemon juice. The vitamin C in lemon juice helps brighten your skin and reduce dark spots. Now, it's time to apply the mask. You can apply it to your face, chest, and even your hands for a glowing, youthful appearance. Leave it 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. You'll feel the difference instantly. Let's move on to the second recipe. Start with a teaspoon of almond oil in a bowl. Add a teaspoon of burdock oil. Next, add 2 teaspoons of your starch gel. And don't forget the flaxseed gel we made earlier. Burdock oil is rich in fatty acids and vitamins that deeply hydrate and nourish your skin. Once you've mixed everything together, store it in the fridge for future use. And hands, and let it sit for 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water when you're done. For best results, apply this mask 3 times a week and watch your skin transform. This mask will rejuvenate your skin, leaving it healthier, younger, and glowing with elegance. Here's to youthful skin and good health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty recipes. See you in the next video.